show him what we got. Here we go. Dance video, please.
Stretch. You guys okay? Are you okay? 여러분들 잘하고 있어요.
You guys are not dancing.
하고 있어요?
You guys are dancing.
노래 한 번만 더 해주세요. 한 번 다시 가야 될 것 같아요.
Okay, ulitin natin. I need to see it again.
You guys ready? Really? Okay. One more.
Video, please.
One more time, please.
One more time, please.
Like you mean it, come on! Watch him dance instead of dancing along, ha?
우리 더 열심히 춰야 돼요.
Galingan nyo pa.
잘 추시는 분들 해가지고 추첨할 수도 있거든요, 여러분.
Baka tayo, raffle tayo yung mga best dancers natin ngayong gabi.
뭔가 있어요.
There might be something special.
Alright, let's watch the next video. Next video, please.
Next video.
Okay.
느낌 좋은데요?
Ang ganda lang yung vibes natin.
Alright. We have another one. Let's watch this. They're gonna do this now. Singing and dancing.
자, 이제 여러분 차례예요.
It's your turn now, guys.
Let's go, guys!
A showdown happening right here at the center.
맞아요.
Okay, I love this.
저 중앙을 좀 여러분들 지켜봐 주셔야 돼요.
Tingin nyo po sa center na lang kasi ang galing nila.
좋습니다.
Okay, we have one more, just one more, okay? Alright. You guys, this is the last dance off that we're gonna do, so please give it everything you got, okay? Let's watch this video. dancing tonight? What are your thoughts?
일단 제가 지금 더 힘들긴 해요.
First of all, pagod ako.
네. 하지만 정말 많은 분들이 또 이제 열정적으로 춤을 또 춰주시는 모습을 보니까 분위기가 한층 더 무르익어 가는 것 같습니다.
Pero nakita ko rin yung may mga dancers din, mga friends na sobrang passionate ng dance moves nila. Kaya gumanda ang vibes natin ngayong gabi.
네, 좋습니다. 여러분 재밌었나요?
Did you guys enjoy?
네.
You guys are fantastic. Thank you so much, everyone, for dancing and showing your love for Baekhyun. Okay, we're not ending there because you also have a surprise, right? Because at this point, you're actually going to draw a shirt. You're gonna draw on a shirt. So let me lead you over here.
Sure.
All right.
Yun, sa mas mataas na din sa wakas.
So we have here on an easel, we have a bench shirt. It's plain. And now you're gonna put your artwork on it.
굉장히 자신 없긴 한데
Talagang hindi ako confident.
여러분들 한번 잘 해볼게요.
But I'll give my best. I'll give a try.
벤치.
Okay, what is he going for here? All right. Do you draw at all? Like, you know how to draw? Pero yung pose niya, di ba, sa easel, parang artist naman.
Wow.
Oh, okay, so we have a rectangle. Okay. You guys can see what's happening now. Okay, good. What is the thought process right now as you are putting this artwork on the shirt?
완성되면 보여드릴게요.
I'll show you the output na lang.
Trust the process. Oh, I think I'm seeing it now.
Bench. Literal.
Oh. Wait, are you sure you don't know how to draw? Parang magaling naman siya. Okay, your fans are cheering you on, singing along. Okay, guys, so he drew a literal bench on the shirt. Okay. And then he wrote bench in Korean
Bench.
underneath it. Okay. And of course, we have a heart. Okay. We're not quite done yet. Ayan. Yeah, we have a variety of drawing materials here. Please feel free to explore. But it looks really cute already. Once again, we have a bench on the shirt and bench in Korean. And then we have a red heart. Okay, so we're just outlining the Korean characters that spell out bench. Parang kitang-kita siya.
It's very focused.
Yes, he is. He's an artiste, you know. We cannot disturb him.
Yeah, we cannot disturb him.
Oh, ang galing mo mag-translate kanina.
Thank you very much. Nervous ako.
Okay, ayan. You know, come to think of it, actually, you know, I've been to bench way too many times, but I don't think I've ever seen a shirt with the bench in Korean.
Tamang-tama
Yeah,
na.
diba? Oo. Ba't tinag-translate mo sarili mo? Ayaw. Oh, may shading pa siya, diba?
May mga accents din.
May pagka-ano, parang may pagka-perfectionist ng konti, maybe. You know, I mean, very detail-oriented. designed by Baekhyun himself. There's only one of these in the world. And we're witnessing how it is actually materializing in front of us. Okay.
At syempre, very, very focused siya ngayon. Yeah, so I think it would be nice if EXO can sing a little bit yung background music.
Oh, sure,
para
yes, yes.
inspire din
You
siya.
guys want to help him along with singing?
Pagtapos si Baekhyun mag-painting, no, yung light stick din, everyone can raise it. So if he sees the fans, kitang-kita po yung mga light sticks. Okay, so can we all raise the light sticks? Yes.
Ganda.
Pero hindi siya synchronized. Yung iba, left and right. Yung iba, right and left. So, Ate Sam, oh, can you guide them? Anong direksyon yung light sticks?
Left, right, left. Oh! We're doing it! So nice. Okay. Giving you heart. Okay, kailangan ng mga shading.
Ganda, no? Ganda ng mga light sticks.
Designing the shirt, guys. And I think he's done.
Okay.
Alright! Okay, let's show them. Let's turn the easel and let's show them. Please tell us about your design. Oh.
이게 왜 제가 약간 이렇게 오래된 것처럼 그렸냐면
I drew it in this style na medyo old yung design.
벤치가 오래오래 사랑받는 브랜드였으면 좋겠어서 이렇게 그려봤습니다.
Gustong-gusto ko na Bench will be a brand that will be loved by a lot of people for a long, long time. So kaya ganito yung design ko for the Bench shirt.
네, 그리고 제가 또 이제 한국어로 이렇게 벤치를 적어봤습니다.
And I also wrote in Korean characters, Bench.
좋습니다. Okay.
A big round of applause, please. Baekhyun's very own design and artwork on a Bench shirt, everyone. By none other than our genius idol. Alright, this is truly the best day with Baekhyun, and because you love your fans so much, you're also actually gonna draw some prizes that you want to give away. Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. All right. We have a chance now to win some exclusive prizes. We have a very exciting raffle draw. Let's bring out that fishbowl, everyone. Okay, you're gonna draw the prizes yourself. What we're giving away right now is 24 Polaroid photos. Signed.
You guys want it? Okay.
So we're giving away 24 Polaroid photos signed by the Genius Idol himself. And we're actually gonna do this by section, okay? 8 in the upper box, 8 in the lower box, and 8 in the VIP sections. Alright? So get us started by drawing from the upper box, please.
Upper box?
Yes.
8 people?
8. So please check your tickets, everyone. a winner, please make your way to the right side of the stage and you can claim your prize here.
We have ticket number from upper box 233-44771. Once again, 233-44771.
There I am.
This is upper box.